Hi! Today I'm going to show you how I use Recimarry to collect and organize recipes. First, log in with your account. You can sign in with Google, Apple, or your email. Once you're logged in, you can start adding recipes by pasting a URL or entering the recipe manually. Currently, Recimarry supports recipes from recipe websites, Facebook, Instagram, and even YouTube videos. After you submit the link, the app will take a few seconds to extract the recipe and turn it into a clean, organized format. And here it is. You'll see the recipe with images, ingredients, instructions, and other details like servings, if they are available. You can also add remarks to the recipe or add tags to help you find it later. You can create new tags or choose from existing ones. Besides adding recipes by pasting a URL, you can also share directly from apps like Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. Just tap Share, choose More, and select Recimarry from the share sheet. The app will automatically start importing the recipe. You can either wait for it to finish and review the result, or continue what you were doing and come back later. Usually it takes less than 20 seconds, although YouTube videos may take a little longer if the app needs to extract the recipe from the audio. Once your recipes are imported, you can view them on the My Recipes page. You can sort them by name or by recently added search by recipe name, or filter them using tags. You can also bookmark recipes into collections and create your own custom collections. And if your friends or family are also using Recimarry, you can share recipes with them directly in the app. Recimarry uses a simple point-based system. Most recipes cost 1 point to import and sometimes 3 points for YouTube recipes if the app needs to transcribe the audio. Each registered user receives free points to get started. Give it a try, and feel free to send me feedback either here or directly through the app. With Recimarry, you'll never lose a recipe you found online again. By the way, Recimarry version 2.0.0 has just been released. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!